Hello, Timsy here again, Beaches, and we're back with part 5. And I last left off giving you guys, like, a rush. But I was examining my coding, and I didn't close this properly in the last one. So if you guys have two of these, like, say, if you guys have something like this, after I create user method, it's because we didn't close up email is taken properly. But if you guys have any errors again, just look at the source. Okay. So I added another function here called SelfProtect. Self is equivalent to this, but it's just, you can use self. It doesn't matter. Anyway, so let's just build this quick little method called protect. Public function protect and protect. Well, we'll just put string. And it's simple. Just do return MySQL real escape string and string. There you go. Alright, and what this will do is it'll protect you from MySQL injection. So, there's not that many exploits. It should protect any strings that go into the database. Because if you do put in some information into a text field that does correspond, that does deal with the database, you could actually retrieve information like that. So this is a good way to protect it. Although I think CodeIgniter does have something that has that. I'm not exactly too sure. So if there does and anyone knows, let me know in the comments below. But let's go ahead and continue now, and this should probably be the last one. But you see where donkey butt is where we're going to now work with. We're going to create. I'm gonna put form. I'm gonna create three variables. Put a form username equals this input post username. This is probably the last tutorial, guys. The last part of this tutorial. Okay, we're gonna just create a array of information, and we'll say form password equals md5 this. Oops, sorry. Oh my god, I can't type today. Sorry. Input post password form email equals this input post email, and I'll explain everything right now. These are all the form. How can I describe this? This is the inputs that are coming from the form, and I said that really loud, like I'm screaming at you guys, which I am. But we're putting all these text fields into a variable so that we could send it to our method, and then it can insert to the database. So all we're gonna do now is if self what's it called? Well, we got create user, and all we gotta put is form username, form password, and form email. And if it equals true, then we're gonna say what we're gonna do. We're gonna say created user successfully, and here we're gonna put problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this over here. Alright, and we're gonna say this. We're gonna create a view. We're gonna say load view success page, and we're gonna put in some info. Oh, we'll put some data, and I'll get to that pretty soon. See how much time I have left. Wow, 4 minutes already. Okay. What do we do? Okay, so you see in our method we have user, pass, and email, and here we put in those informations for user, password, and email. And let's go ahead and create the view page real quick, and we'll just say echo center. We'll say h1 success h1, and we'll say thank you for registering username, and I guess we can add. I guess we could add some activation code. No, we won't. Not for now. I might add it later, but it's called success page.pageFrame. Alright. And we'll say echo break equals login, and we'll say login here, and close it. And call that a day. And if a problem, we'll say echo sorry, couldn't process your form. Okay, that's looking good. We have to create a data username equals form username. Okay. Basically you go to view and pass data to the view page. So I'm assuming you guys know some CodeIgniter, but basically you can pass information to a view page with an array of information. So that's good. So I think we're good here. Let's go ahead and try it out now. I'll put the name as Timmy. I'll put password, and I'll put random at AOL.com and hit register. And then we get a success. Thank you for registering, Timmy. Log in here. So if I hit browse, there we go. We got ID is 1, username is Timmy, password is hashed, MD5 hashed. We got our email, our date, our level, and our IP. And that's pretty good. And yeah. So there we go on that one. So yeah, we have enough time to explain some stuff. We basically call out our we'll say create user here, and once we call this out, if it was passed successfully, then we created our user, and we gave him we just basically sending like a little session to another page, and we're saying successful registration, thank you for registering, go ahead and log in here. If not, sorry, we couldn't process your form. And now let's go and check out to see if the username was taken. So I'll put in some information, AOL.com, and there we go. We got register, set message, error on line 67. Sorry, this form validation set message. Sorry, you guys probably saw that from the beginning. Form validation set message. Okay, refresh. And there we go. Sorry. Oh, okay. We have to do this. I forget sometimes, so we'll do that here. Alright. So we can do this one more time. There we go. Sorry, the username Timmy is taken. So I'll put something else. Password. Yep. And then I think it was random at AOL. And then we get sorry, the email random at AOL is taken. Forgot password. And there we go. So there you go, guys. That's how you do that. The source will be in the description. If you guys have any comments or any suggestions on how to help me out with making these things, like I know this was probably very all over the place, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I don't know what to say, so talk to you guys the next time. Later.